What's up, my loves? It's your girl, Brandy. Yes, I'm on your screen. I just got out of service, and you know when you get out of service, you'll be hungry, okay? Woo! So I stopped at Priscilla's. It's a 20-minute wait because your girl don't feel like, girl, have you noticed the, what is it called? Anita in the car with me, y'all. What was I finna tell y'all? It's cold out here today. Short ribs. I can take this off. Girl, short ribs. Short ribs is now $22.99. I used to get short ribs for $12. It was $12.99 there. Then it went up to like $13. Now it's $22. They can't see you, Nita. You're gonna have to reach over because I put the thing over here now.
Oh, it's a nice place. Hey, me.
I like my cute little sanitizer.
That is cute. Give me some.
Use this kind. Yep, y'all. So your girl waiting on her food. Okay, this mask up. I'm so hungry. I got 2 orders just in case.
No.
I know Amir. He gonna want to eat. He gonna want to eat. I know Sai ain't gonna eat this because they don't be cooking they greens. They don't have vegetarian greens. So, oh well. I need to switch purses for the week. What's up, y'all? How y'all feel? I feel good. So I get the veggie plate, y'all. So I get the macaroni, the sweet potatoes, the collard greens with pork. Yes, your girl, she drinks cheese pork. And dressing with gravy and cranberry sauce. And now it's $25.98. That used to be the cheapest thing on the menu. I got 2 of the same thing. I'm excited though. I hope this young guy come out really quick. If he come out really quick, if he come out within the next 5 minutes, I will tip him $5. Okay, so it's 136. If he come out by 141. All right, y'all. I ain't talking about nothing. I'll be back to show y'all my food when I get to the house. Y'all, I want to tell y'all. So remember I told y'all I took them nails off? Girl, my nails is breaking. I look like it seemed like I told y'all this. But my nails are breaking. I need to get them done. But I can still go without them having them done. Oh, this one right here. These are bad. You see that? How they broke? Girl, them nails is no good. I'm trying to grow my nails out so that I just have my natural nails back. I'm still gonna get gel, but wait a minute, nail techs. I need y'all to answer this. I don't need nobody answering that's not a nail tech, a licensed nail tech. Should I get the dip powder? Is that okay? Is that better than the gel? Let me know down in the comment section. Should I get the dip? Because she was trying to get me to get the dip, but I don't like to pay a lot of money. So either the dip or the gel. Which one should I get? I guess all y'all can answer. Because some of y'all might know. So let me know. Alright, I'm going for real. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. And I went to this place called Teddy's Meat Market. Oh, it's cold out here. Hold on, I'm gonna talk to y'all in the car. Y'all know I can't fool with this weather. Whew. Let me put y'all down. Okay. So, I was actually going into Angelica's to get a cake, but they're closed. And so I was like, you know what? They might have a cake in Teddy's Meat Market. And they did. But check this out. It was a guy, he had his little billboard thing and he had it up covering all the cakes, right? But I didn't pay attention to it because he was showing me his cake. Matter of fact, let me show you. So he was like, I got peach cobbler. What kind of cake you want? I got what was the other one? Caramel cake. So I'm like, okay. Girl, it wasn't even a slice of cake. How small was that cake, Nita?
A piece.
It was really small. It was like just like a circle. $7. How much was it? $6.99. So
banana.
her crazy butt got the peach cobbler.
No, banana pudding.
Banana pudding. I'm sorry. It looked good.
It was good. But that piece, yeah.
But that little piece of cake. And then I was like, wait a minute. What's the cake over there? You talking about you ain't got no hole? Because he said you gonna be mad because I only got sliced. I ain't got hole. So I was like, well, how much the hole? Hey, he said, oh, them ain't my cakes. Them cakes that you really want. Why he got it? She laughing over here. He got the sign up covering the cake, y'all. I said, man, if you don't give me that cake back there. So I was playing like I was gonna buy his cake. Girl, I went to the register. I told that girl at the register, I said, girl, put this cake by you until I walk out the store. Do not send it back. Girl, I would not pay. I ain't rolling like that. I will not pay no $6. You trying to get you.
It was too little.
Girl, it wasn't even a slice.
No, it was not.
Girl, I was so mad. Like, man, if you don't go somewhere, this food in here smell good. So, the cake didn't taste bad. Let me taste it again. He gave me a sample. Let's see. It's good, but it's not, it tastes like cream cheese a little bit. But I don't know, something about it. Let me try this banana pudding. She claimed it's so good. That's blessed. Girl, I know this ain't a piece of corn in here. Girl, is that a piece of corn in there?
Yeah.
You are freaking lying. Girl, he got a piece of corn in here. I blessed it though.
Yeah, it's a piece of corn in there.
See, I can't be eating. Girl, it tastes like a lemon.
It does have a lemon taste.
That's alright, I'm gonna get what I know, and that's Angelica. I got the whole cake. Girl. So, we headed to the crib. I'll see y'all when I get there. But it was really, really good. I'm gonna show you the cake. And yeah, let me switch it over so I can show you the cake. But today is also my mother's birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Yes, today's her birthday. She's a Valentine's Day baby. So it's wash day today, so I probably will be washing my hair and using my new dryer that I purchased. So let me show y'all the cake. Hold on. Y'all, this is the caramel cake from Angelica's. Looks like that, and I think 2 slices was already taken. My husband don't eat sweets, but unfortunately, because he ate a piece, I shouldn't have brought it home. I think I tempted him. So yeah. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you my food really quick. This is how it looks. It comes with a muffin. Come on, bag. Now just know that this is cold. It's not hot because it was in a refrigerator. But this is the sweet potatoes, the pork greens, the macaroni and cheese, and the dressing with gravy. And the dressing was good. It was so good. It's like homemade dressing. Tastes really good. Don't taste like no stuffing. So this is my son's food. I already smashed mine. I ate some today, ate some yesterday. it's still early, so I'm gonna eat some grapes and chill for a minute. Yes, I'm gonna chill, and then I'm gonna go wash my hair and everything. But I just want to say happy Valentine's Day to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. These grapes are so good from Target. What's up? What's up? It's your girl. Let me turn on this light right here. What is up, y'all? So I just washed my hair. I know y'all like this girl always in her hair, but I do it every week, and I gotta get it ready for the new week. But I just washed my hair, and I'm gonna put on some conditioner. I gotta find some conditioner, and I'm gonna use my new dryer. So I'm gonna show you how I use my new dryer, you guys, that I picked up. If you haven't seen that vlog, check it out. I'm gonna list it in the card section. I bought a new hair dryer because the one that I had broke. It was a stand-up kind, and that's always in the way. So I bought this one so that I can fold it back, put it back, and put it like in a closet, in a compartment somewhere. So it's much easier. You know, I don't want all that big bulky stuff in the way. So let me get some conditioner and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so I'm going to use these two. I'm going to use the Mielle Rosemary Strengthening Hair Mask. And I'm going to also use the Hydrating by Kenra. No, not Kenra. Care. Yeah, this is the Hydrating Shampoo. Wait a minute. I got the wrong one. Hold on. I'm glad I read it to y'all. But this is the Naked. This is the Keratin Plus Reconstructive Mask. So I'm going to put this on. I only used this one time. It says massage. It's a blend of keratin protein, honey, almond. Okay. It deeply moisturizes each strand while rebuilding the strand. Okay. So we're going to use these two together. I don't know. Let's see how they smell. I don't even know how it smells. I like shampoo and conditioners that smell good. Shake this up. So I'm going to put this on first. Okay, it comes with the instructions, of course. Alright guys, so this is it. Let me zoom y'all in a little bit. Beauty, so this is it. You have your off, cool, medium, hot. It says ionic. You have your little carrier, and it says important always depress this hood lock release button before attempting to close the hood to avoid damage to product. So it's a button on the back to depress it, It says push to lock and release push to lock and to release hood. So you gotta push this when you want to release the hood. So I'm going to turn it on to medium. It's on, so I'm going to get under it. Grab my laptop. Okay guys, so I just finished rinsing my hair out from that conditioner, and I put on the Row Rejuvenated Keratin Repair and Shine Leave-In Treatment. Looks like this. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I put in a little African Pride. This is the Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Growth Oil. It stops breakage and split ends. I don't know how well this works, but it smells good. So I just put like 2 quarter size in my hair. Don't mind me, I'm eating Pringles. And I was drinking this Ice Mountain. I do not like Ice Mountain. Do you guys like Ice Mountain? I don't like Ice Mountain. So I can drink some Dasani, but Ice Mountain tastes like, it tastes real salty to me. So right now I'm just gonna oh, my hair feels so soft. I'm gonna comb it out. What's up, beauties? Oh, I forgot to put this down. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I finally finished my hair, and I'm picking up my baby boy from school. Hope you can get through. Yeah, I'm picking up my baby boy from school, but I didn't end the vlog properly, so I just wanted to say hey to y'all. I don't have on any makeup. I just did my hair, made it more fluffy. yeah, and it came out really cute. Let me show you. Yeah. Ow. Okay, let me get off of here. I'm gonna end this vlog. My hand is off. Here he comes. Why his girl? Anyway, why is this not closing? I need to go home. I'll probably see y'all when I get to the house. All right, see y'all in a minute. What's up, y'all? So I'm back, and I just decided I'm just going to change purses. I'm gonna do red. Let's see what I have in this purse. I have a little squirt of Julia Has a Gun. I need to throw that away. And what is this? Okay, job duties and some old receipts. So this is the person I'm going to carry on today. I'm going to throw away all these little receipts and stuff. So yeah, like I said, this is the person I'm going to carry. It's the LV No, something like that. I don't know. But it's red on the outside and a real pretty blue on the inside. And this is the purse that I was carrying. It's okay, but girl, I get tired of carrying this little purse. So I'm going to just transfer everything on. I'm just going to transfer everything in here. I ain't doing no what's in my purse, but just stuff that I want to transfer. I'm going to put my cards in here and maybe my money in this little inside. Okay, so I put my cards. I only have like 3. Debit and 2 credit cards and my license and my health insurance card. So I put it in here, and I have a few dollars on me. Not a lot. I don't usually keep cash on me. Yep, so that is that. Let's see, what is this? Oh, she's so cute. But yeah, guys, this will complete my video. I will see you guys in the next video. All right, I love y'all. Bye.